Nissan's most popular vehicle in the United States is undergoing some changes just a little over 3 years after the current version started rolling off the assembly line. In other countries, it goes by the name X-Trail, but here in Tennessee, it's known as the compact crossover. It's getting a bit of a facelift with updated bumpers and a revamped V-motion grille, a fancy name for the front grille that looks a bit fancier now. The taillights at the back have also been tweaked a bit. What's more, the badges, those little emblems with the Nissan logo, have a satin finish. If you opt for the SV grade of Rogue, you'll get some brand new 18-inch wheels, while the Platinum trim goes even further with 19-inch alloy wheels and shiny black body accents. And if you're all about colors, the 2024 model has got some new options for you. Deep Ocean Blue Pearl, Baja Storm, Everest White Pearl, and even a few two-tone combos with a black roof. But perhaps the most significant change can be found inside the car. The 2024 Rogue is the very first Nissan to come with Google built right into it. You get it bundled with a 5-year plan. This means that when you're driving around, you can use Google Maps, have a chat with Google Assistant, and even use Google Play, all without needing to connect your phone to the car. Now, if you're an Android or Apple fan, don't worry. The S and SV trims have wired Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, while the SL and Platinum versions go wireless. The lower trim levels get an 8-inch touchscreen for their infotainment system, while the fancier models get a bigger 12.3-inch touchscreen. If you're all about your music, all 4 trim levels come with SiriusXM, but the SL and Platinum really spoil you with SiriusXM 360L, which has even more content, including Pandora. And when it comes to keeping your devices charged, the S has 2 USB-C ports, while the SV, SL, and Platinum have 2 extra ones at the back of the center console. If you step up to the SL or Platinum, there's also a wireless charging pad right in front of the gear lever. Now let's talk safety. No matter which Rogue you pick, you're getting the Nissan Safety Shield 360 package. This includes a bunch of safety systems to help keep you out of trouble. Under the hood, there's no big change. The Rogue still comes with a 1.5-liter 3-cylinder engine. They call it a variable compression turbocharged engine, which basically means it's designed to be efficient and powerful. It's been around since 2022, and it replaced the old 2.5-liter engine. The new one has more power, 201 horsepower, and more torque, 225 pound-foot, and it's paired with a continuously variable transmission that got some updates in 2022 to make it shift faster and smoother. The 2024 Rogue will be available for sale in the US early next year in 4 different trims: S, SV, SL, and Platinum. We don't have the prices just yet, but the 2023 model ranged from $27,910 for the basic front-wheel drive S to $38,990 for the all-wheel drive Platinum. So if you're in the market for a versatile and tech-savvy crossover, the 2024 Rogue might be worth a look.